how to create Boolean strings for the jobs which you do not get more of keywords from there. So to avoid that kind of situation, I would suggest, so let me share my experience how I used to do that. From the beginning in my initial starting career, whenever I was getting a job requirement, I used to, the same way, the way you go to the job boards and search for resumes, I used to go there and search resumes, and I was reading the resumes. Let's say I got a business analyst position, and I'll go to the job board, fetch a resume, and read the resume. And in the environment section, you see every candidate, they mention it some sort of technologies in the environment section. I used to copy those environment section, those details, and paste that in a notepad, and I used to save it. And in the body of the email, in the resume, you see in the responsibilities section, they use a kind of technologies to do their daily responsibilities. I'll copy and paste that. Okay, that is how I used to save the technologies and relative skills for a particular jobs. So let's say if I get a business analyst position just as a title, and there is more of a functional responsibilities in the job requirement, but nothing to do, no technical skills. At that point of time, this notepad was really useful. So I go and check those notepads wherever I have kept these skills section, if the Boolean strings. For a business analyst, you see they go with the JAD sessions, root cause analysis, RCA, 2B, as is, BRDs, FRDs, okay, and UML. They mentioned that they create few of the technology people, they use SQL and XML as well. Some people use Visio. So these kind of technologies, you can use that for a business analyst. The same way, if you have worked on any of these technologies, let's say today you are working on a QA position or a project manager of any sort, while reading the resume, copy those technologies, keep that and save that in a one folder. So in the long run, that is going to be very much useful for you when you get a job with a very less responsibilities or not much technical skills. I hope this was useful for you, and let me know how you used to share your strings and how creative you are. Thank you.